I've been trying to do this all day long. I haven't been able to get to it. I've been running around trying to get caught up with work, some family events, and I've just been trying to get to what I'm trying to get to because today I'm excited because I was able to get one of the clones I had been looking for, which I didn't even know was out. So I just ran across it somehow. You know, I came across it. Yeah, give me 1 second. Let me grab what I'm looking for. All right. I'm back. So, yep, I had to jump back real quick. Today been a very busy day. And I have been just running around trying to get ready for tomorrow because I'm headed out to Denver for work. And I was looking for 2 packages that came in. Actually, only 1 came in today. Don't you hate when a package is literally around the block from you and you're like, can I just go pick it up? Can I just go grab it? Why I gotta wait for them to deliver it? Which is crazy. So, as you can tell, finally got settled, finally sitting in the crib, finally back here. And I am just coming on here to just discuss a few of the items that I got today. I got popping off here recently, so came in the mail. And what I have is the Montblanc Legend Elixir. So I already had a parfum. I have this one. And somewhere around here I have, here it is, Legend Red. So I have both of these. Now I'm only missing 2 from this collection. I'm really not too worried about the EDT version of the Legend. But yeah, those are actually what I actually have. I'm listening to Legend Blue and Legend whatever the white bottle is. I know a lot of people have like mixed reviews on Montblanc. I personally like Montblanc. I don't have anything against them. It's like my go-to just for like, to see if it's really even worth, just a smooth, easy business type of scent. Nothing too major about a lot of them. But it's one that I actually like. I normally go with a lot. So today we're going to do the unboxing of the Montblanc Legend Elixir. So I've been waiting all day to open this. I planned on doing this earlier, but we're going to go with this Montblanc Legend Elixir. And there's something kind of rattling already in here, so I don't know if y'all can hear that. I don't know if that's broke. Hope it's not. I've been looking for this for a minute. Let's see. I get it all out of the box. I don't know about y'all, but sometimes for me, opening these are like opening Christmas gifts. So I know it's a real addiction, but I tapped one out for one of these. But I blind bought this just off the fact that I do like the Montblanc Legend collection. So let's see what's in this thing. Oh, the cap came off. That's what that is. Okay. Somehow the cap came off there. For a second, I thought this thing was broke. I was gonna be highly upset. Ooh, chrome on everything. So very luxury type of bottle. Got the chrome on here. the mirror tint. Then I have basically here the QR code that comes inside of it. Nothing too major. But really, let's just really dive in and see what this actually smells like. Magnetic top on here. And was it even worth the wait to even look at this? Excuse me. Whew, atomizer is strong on that thing. Yeah. Whew. Yeah. That is nice. That is very, very nice. It has, I'm just gonna guess on this one before I even like look up the notes or anything. It smells like it got vanilla in here. I'm gonna say some lavender in this. I don't know what else. I know this other scent, but I don't know what it is. But it's very smooth, classy, very, very good. This is completely different take on the Legend series. Because this right now, besides the white bottle, is the other one that I have. And the white bottle or the blue bottle is probably like one of my favorites. I just haven't been really got to them. I've been getting to a lot of the other scents out here. Yeah, this is like a everyday smooth basic freshie, which is just business wise. And then this one's just like date night. You can get an office scent out of it as well, but it sits real subtle. It's like it's not a screaming loud scent, but the projection on it is very, very scent. You know what it's like? It's like if you remember watching Looney Tunes when Pepe Le Pew, that little scent trail used to grab him by that nostril and drag him across. That's exactly what this is like. I want to know what the notes are on it. I pulled it up earlier, but I didn't really want to go into too much detail because I kind of wanted to guess to see if I can figure it out. So lavender is in there, cardamom, bergamot, pink pepper, iris, cinnamon, clary sage, vanilla, landamine, and ambroxan. Makes sense because it is a smooth, very, very smooth scent. So, yeah, I do like this. I do like this. But not only one unboxing tonight, we have another unboxing. And also, I forgot, I have this little red bottle of Montblanc Legend. I use this as kind of like a gym scent. It's all right. It's nothing too major to write about. But I went and picked up the little discovery set today. I forget his name, but I seen he had it on his today. I didn't know they carried it at Target, but I went and copped this today. PAPATUI. It's the Rocks new scent or new fragrance line. I did see that he had a lot. He had cologne, yeah, body wash, soap, beard, face. If it's for your body, the Rock got it. Maybe do I need to pause on that? Is that pause? I don't know. I really care less. I almost feel like opening this discovery set is like opening a little pack of cigarettes. I feel like I need to go. I feel like I need to hit that mud like that. Like I ain't never smoked cigarettes. I don't know why people even do that, but you know, I feel like that's what I need to do right here. So let's go 1, 2, and 3. So here is what's in the actual discovery set. You're going to get leather and wood, which is P1, and then amber and cypress, which is P7, And then P21 is going to be smoking bourbon. So I'm really interested in smoking bourbon just to see what that actually smells like. And then we can go with everything else. But let's see what's on here for this. Mm. Woo! Hey, wintertime banger. Now, this is sweet. I don't know what's all in it because it just only gave me smoking bourbon. So I don't know if this is the whole entire actual note scent on here, but right now, this is a banger. First hit. This is a banger. Hold on, let me look this up real quick. Hold up. Let me look it up. I need to know what's in the notes. Cause
that whole aesthetic of like wearing athleisure all the time.
What is this?
That's gone.
All right. Let me look this up real quick. PAPATUI. I can't stop smelling it. This is a banger. So if you're wondering, the full price on it at Target is $39.99. And I think they actually had a little sale. If you spent $30 or something like that, they gave you a actual $5 back. So I'm looking up the notes right now. So we got for this we get ripe berry, creamy coconut. I don't smell no creamy coconut in here, but maybe I do smell a little cream in here. Pause. Do you supposed to pause on that one? I don't know. But with sharp, vibrant, yet smooth, sweet notes, warm, spicy, rich amber, deep vanilla, smoked wood, and charred vanilla, birch smoked, patchouli, aged bourbon, and a dark smoldering masculine finish. So those were the notes for this, and this is a banger. I like this. So actually, I'm going to Denver tomorrow, so I might wear this once I get there. But this is the discovery, and it's already dang 1 square, and I'm already like I'm a heavy one. A little push, and it's already gone. All right, and let's see, because I didn't bring enough strips over here. I don't think. Let me see if I got anything in this one. I don't have anything on this one, so let's go. We're gonna see what this one smells like. This is 07. Where's it at? I don't know if y'all can see that, but this is 07 on here. This is kind of earthy, a little fresh, but amber and Cypress is on this one. So far, so good. Rock. I do smell what the Rock is cooking. You know what I mean? Right now, Rock, you cooking. You cooking right now. Let them cook. I feel it, Rock. I feel it. Yeah. This one isn't. This is like nothing really major. It's cool. It's cool vibe. Let me see if I get lucky with one more. Cause I was testing some stuff earlier. Yeah. I looked up, boy. I did my thing on that. Okay. God always work it out for you, don't he? Now, ooh. Hey, for a freshie, 01, 01, PO1. Yeah, I don't know if a thing can get it, but this PO1, yeah, I like this one. I like it a lot. Yeah, I like this one right here. This one right here, this is that. Yeah, I need to know what the notes is on this one as well. So we're going to go PAPATUI 01. Let's see what the notes pop out on this one. Bergamot, cardamom, crisp apple. Yeah, that's what that is. See, I didn't even guess on this one. I just need to go straight to it. Lavender, patchouli, tonka bean, vanilla. I don't even really get no vanilla on this one, but hey, Rock, do you smell what the Rock is cooking? I do. You're cooking right now. Well, you got 2 bangers and these 2. And now for longevity wise, I don't know. I haven't even worn these fully out right now. But what I do know is right now, my boy, you got 2 bangers. 2 of the 2. You know what I mean? And then this one is like, okay, you know what I mean? But I mean, you're not going to go wrong with it. It's okay. So today, I'm just going to be real. Like, I may have, with the Montblanc Legend, all that, you know what I mean? I probably done switched up a little bit. I think the little discovery set was like $20. So I don't know. But yeah. So I just wanted to come on here and just talk about the unboxing today. Nothing too major. Hopefully my other package will be here tomorrow before that ends. And, also, my phone really about to die, but I'm going to be short with this. I don't want to cut off on y'all. I recently got a PR package from the Cologne. I'm dropping my first review on their version of Imagination on Thursday, Central Time, around 6:30. It's going to be on YouTube. Definitely check it out. But yeah, that's all I got on this Tuesday night. Phone about to die. I've been ripping and running. I need to put it on the charger. Nothing too major. But yeah, Montblanc. I'm rocking with this one. This is probably the best one I've smelled so far. Legend. This is not like a club scent or anything like that. Phone about to die, but I'll get back with y'all later, man. Y'all have a good night.